Hello friends, once upon a time, in the grand kingdom of Hastinapura, there lived a beggar who struggled day and night just to survive. One day, tired and desperate, he approached the great warrior Arjuna, pleading for help. Moved by the man's misery, Arjuna gave him something incredible, a bag full of gold coins. Can you imagine the beggar's joy? He could not believe his luck. He held the bag close, dreaming of a life without hunger, without struggle. But fate had other plans. As the beggar hurried home, thinking about how his life was about to change, a thief appeared out of nowhere. With one swift move, the thief snatched the gold and disappeared into shadows, leaving the beggar heartbroken and empty handed once again. Distraught, the beggar returned to Arjuna, his eyes filled with tears, and told him what had happened. Arjuna, feeling sorry, decided to give him something even more valuable this time, a sparkling diamond. It was worth more than gold, a treasure beyond the beggar's wildest dreams. The beggar carefully took the diamond home and hid it in a pot. But life has a funny way of playing tricks, doesn't it? His wife, unaware of the diamond, used the same pot to fetch water from the river. As she dipped it into the flowing water, the diamond slipped out and was lost forever in the depths of the river. The beggar, crushed and hopeless, went back to Arjuna once again. This time, Arjuna lost his patience and told to beggar, I have given you gold, I have given you a diamond, what more do you want? Just then, Lord Krishna, who had been watching everything, decided it was the time to step in. He handed the beggar two simple bronze coins. Yes, you heard it right. Two simple bronze coins. The beggar, disappointed but with no choice, accepted the coins and left. On his way back, he noticed a fish gasping for air in the marketplace. Moved by compassion, he used the bronze coins to buy the fish and release the fish into water. And what happened next? As the fish swam away, it spat out something shiny. It was the very same diamond which he had lost. Overjoyed, the beggar shouted, Oh God, I found my diamond. And guess who has heard it? The thief who has stolen his gold. Fearing he had been caught, the thief rushed to return the stolen gold and asked the beggar to not to tell anyone. In the end, the beggar not only got back the diamonds but also the gold. And it all happens because of a simple act of kindness. So, what is the lesson here? Sometimes it is not the riches or treasures that brings us happiness, but the small unexpected acts of kindness that change everything. So please be kind. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.